Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change controls in Blockbench. Custom controls help match your workflow or muscle memory from other software. First, open Blockbench. Select File in the menu bar, hover over Preferences, then choose Settings. From here, you can adjust multiple settings in Blockbench. One of the most important ones for me is the Snapping tab. This section shows the snapping resolution when holding Shift, Control, or both keys on your keyboard. You can customize these values to better match your preferences and workflow. Adjusting these settings can make switching tools and aligning objects faster and more consistent. And that's how to change controls in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.